Good day everyone. This is KLSE Bull Signal. In this video, I would like to share information on Bursa Malaysia IPO listed in February 2020. InNature Berhad 5295 was listed on Bursa MainMarket under Consumer Products and Services. CIMB Investment Bank Berhad is the principal advisor, managing underwriter, and sole bookrunner for this exercise. MIDFA Mana Investment Bank Berhad was the joint underwriter. Here are some information about this IPO listing. InNature Berhad offered 177.27 million ordinary shares in this listing exercise. It was oversubscribed by 13 times from offered. The initial offer listing price at 68 cents with Sharia compliance. InNature Berhad IPO open for public application on the 29th of January till the 6th of February. Balloting was on 10 of February and share allotment for successful applicants on 19 of February. The actual listing date was on the 20th of February 2020 at 64 cents after consideration market volatility, which is 4 cents lower than the initial offer. To make sure investors could have higher profit margin, InNature Berhad was founded by Dartin Minachai in 1984, headquartered in Kuala Lumpur. The company had been operating the Bodyshop franchise business for more than 35 years. InNature Berhad is an investment holding company. It involved in the retailing and distribution of the Bodyshop products in West Malaysia, Sabah, and Labuan, Vietnam and Cambodia. The Bodyshop products include cosmetics, skincare and personal care. Beside distribution of the Bodyshop franchise's products, InNature Berhad also expand their brand portfolio to a brand called Natura Beauty in Malaysia. As at the 31st of December 2019, there are 87 points of sale located in Malaysia, 34 in Vietnam, and 1 in Cambodia. Sales from mall store and high street store contribute the biggest percentage in year 2019. At present, more than 85% of the sales are derived from Malaysia and the remaining of 15% from Vietnam. 2019 year-on-year financial highlights as follow: revenue up 191.7 million or 3.9%. Gross profit up 129.3 million or 6%. Core profit after tax 33.7 million drops 6.5% due to a time listing expenses of 3.6 million. InNature's Berhad IPO exercise a public issue of 177.27 million IPO shares and an offer of 103.2 million existing shares by private placement to identified investors. Out of the 177.27 million new issuance, which represent 25.11% of the group's issued capital upon listing, comprising 74 million issue shares and 103 million offer shares, 161.1 million shares will be allocated to the Malaysian and foreign institutional and selected investors, including Bumiputra investors approved by the International Trade and Industry Ministry. 16.1 million shares will be allocated to eligible directors, employees, and persons who have contributed to the success of the group. InNature Berhad aims to raise 50 million from its proposed listing on the main market. Upon listing on the main market, the group will have a market capitalization of 451.7 million based on the issue price of 64 cents and its total share capital of 705 million shares. According to the IPO prospectus, total gross proceeds from public issue will be approximately 50 million, out of which 34.5 million will be capital expenditure for both the Bodyshop and Natura businesses lines in all existing countries. 5.7 million or 11.3% will spend on new business development for Natura, and 3.8 million as working capital. Balance of 6.37 million will be spent on listing expenses. InNature Berhad will open additional 5 outlets in Vietnam and 18 outlets in Cambodia for the next 36 months. Competitive advantages: InNature Berhad is well positioned in the mestige market serving mass market, with affordable premium products supported by strong customer base both in Malaysia and Vietnam. Vietnam a high-speed growing market with bigger opportunity. New business venture Natura brand. Pop-up store, e-commerce website launched in 2019. Challenges: the impact from the outbreak of COVID-19. InNature Berhad despite some foreseen challenges in first quarter 2020 and will continue to manage the business with vigilance during this period of uncertainty. The group is expected to see overall continuous revenue growth and remain profitable in year 2020. Listing expenses 18.75% from IPO fund is a bit high, market average is about 11% till 13%. Public Investment Bank Research has accorded a fair value of 77 cents for InNature Berhad based on the 15-time PE multiple by its financial year 2020. Earning per share of 5.1 cents which excluded the listing cost. InNature Berhad debut on the main market of Bursa Malaysia at 72 cents, or 8 cents, above its listing price of 64 cents on the 20th of February 2081 cents target price was given by RARCU 10 trade. InNature Berhad recommend and distribute at least 30% of the profit after tax to its shareholder. Special single-tier dividend of 1 cents per share totaling 7 million in year 2019. Total dividend payout of 17 million for year 2019, representing 56.6% of annual reported profit after tax. The dividend entitlement date is on the 31st of March 2020 and payment date will be on the 30th of April 2020. Kindly take note should you are interested on this special dividend. The above sharing is some of my personal views and research of the company. I hope through this video you have better understanding on the InNature Berhad. I will be producing more videos about new IPO stocks in the coming future. If you found this useful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also don't forget to like and share my video. Thank you for watching. Last but not least, please go through the disclaimer notes. Thank you.